Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of ultra-luxury and refinement with the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome Camper. A true symbol of prestige and innovation, this motorhome redefines what it means to travel in absolute comfort and elegance. First, let's talk about the interior. Mercedes-Maybach is renowned for uncompromising luxury, and the 2026 Motorhome Camper takes craftsmanship to an entirely new level. Step inside and you're welcomed by a serene, lounge-style living space designed with executive-level comfort in mind. Premium Nappa leather seating, handcrafted wood veneers, brushed metal accents, and ambient LED lighting create a refined atmosphere. The living area features a large 4K flat-screen display, a Burmester high-end surround sound system, and expansive panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light. The kitchen is finished with marble-style countertops and includes state-of-the-art appliances, a built-in espresso system, refrigeration drawers, and a climate-controlled wine cabinet. The master bedroom offers a hotel-grade king-size bed with massage functionality, while the spa-inspired ensuite bathroom includes a rain shower, heated flooring, and premium Maybach-branded fixtures, delivering true first-class comfort on the road. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome Camper is nothing short of breathtaking. Its elegant aerodynamic silhouette is inspired by Maybach luxury sedans, blending sophistication with commanding road presence. The exterior is finished in an exclusive two-tone Maybach paint scheme with hand-polished detailing for a flawless finish. A fully automated retractable awning extends the living space outdoors, while illuminated Maybach badging, chrome accents, and turbine-style alloy wheels reinforce its elite status. Built on a reinforced Mercedes commercial luxury platform, the motorhome maintains exceptional stability while offering smooth, confident handling. Every exterior element is meticulously designed to ensure this camper turns heads wherever it arrives. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome Camper delivers power with effortless grace. Under the hood is a refined twin-turbo V8 paired with a sophisticated adaptive air suspension system, ensuring a whisper-smooth ride regardless of road conditions. The intelligent all-wheel drive system provides confidence across highways, mountain passes, and uneven terrain. An advanced 9-speed automatic transmission delivers seamless gear changes, prioritizing comfort while retaining impressive pulling power. The motorhome is also equipped with the latest Mercedes driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, lane keeping assist, and autonomous parking features, making this luxury giant surprisingly easy to maneuver. Finally, let's talk about the price. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome Camper sits firmly at the top of the luxury spectrum, with an estimated starting price of around $750,000. This is not a motorhome for the average buyer, but for those who demand exclusivity, refinement, and prestige without compromise. The price includes bespoke customization options, world-class materials, advanced technology, and the unparalleled craftsmanship that defines the Maybach name. Whether you're embarking on an extended journey or simply want the most prestigious motorhome ever built, this Maybach camper exceeds expectations in every way. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.